I love Skeem GP, but what he's doing though, it's like they are glorifying crime in a way, bro.
No, they're not, bro.
As much as they say we're spreading
they're
awareness.
just exposing what's happening.
Bro, you can say we're spreading awareness, blah, 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 we're doing this and that. But in a way, some of these criminals or these ex-offenders, when you hear them express their stories or whatever, it's like they're proud, bro. Like they own the things that they used to do. And now it triggers the victims or the families of the victims, you understand? Because this person is out on parole or is free. Like maybe they served whatever sentence. But it's not going to bring back whoever that person hurt.
So what must they
before
do?
you understand? No, the problem is that we shouldn't give these people a platform. We shouldn't give them a platform. Yeah.
You guys are out of order.
No, Skeem GP, I think initially had good intentions. But now, no.
And then what happened?
Monetizing everything now. It's about money. It's about
Power.
It's about power. No, but what I'm saying is the intentions initially were good. But now it's more of a...
It's good entertaining short content, bro.
Yeah, I think I like it.
Have you watched any episode from start to finish?
Not start to finish.
But the clips, ne?
The clips are
yeah.
like,
Say for example, sorry, bro. Say for example, you are a victim of Sylvester.
Did Sylvester pass away, bro?
No. He's still alive. No, Sylvester. You're a victim, like the family, whatever he killed.
You know
whatever.
Sylvester, Chief?
Sylvester.
Longsheli Logo.
Oh. That guy.
You know him?
yeah.
You don't know him? Okay, but continue.
Say you're a family of the victims or whatever, and you hear like these stories, like sometimes, especially the first episode, where he kind of, I'm not saying he's proud or whatever of the things that he did, but he would smirk every time he tells these stories and all of that. How do you feel when, as a person, knowing, okay, this person was convicted of killing my cousin or killing my brother or whatever? How do you feel seeing a person like that given a platform and saying, yeah, mina bengi inja ye game Skeemy, mina vele ya, mina bengi inja ye game bengi? How do you feel as a
you need to understand there's two sides and there's two different people. There's the victim, there's the persecutor. So this bro, let's just say the guy who does the murdering or whatever. I think it's interesting to understand and to see someone's mind, where they at. What were you thinking? Because
it's fascinating.
You ask, what were you thinking that time when you put that knife in that girl? No, I was thinking, you see, that it's interesting to know, like, oh, God, do people think like this?
Doesn't it open up old wounds, though?
I think even as a victim, bro,
that thing you're saying, bro, it's like, sorry. In life, there's never a situation where everyone will be happy. It's like, with bombs and banter, someone will say misogynistic. What about people who've been raped and you guys are talking about operations? You see, so in life there's never a situation where everyone will be happy, bro.